A plantometer is an optical device that can assess the plant health status. It uses an optical channels which are not available to the human eyes. Human can often not see what the plant is telling him. That's why we at BioSense decided to build a prototype of a device that can assess the plant health. It has 6 optical channels. It measures reflections of the light from each channel and creates a normalized vegetation indices. Those indices are uploaded to the server for further analysis and visualization.
Here in BioSense Institute, we are establishing Nano Center, where we will analyze nanostructures and develop new nanomaterials and nanocomponents. Because of that, it was essential for us to purchase scanning electron microscope with high performance. This electron microscope has field emission and enables us to see nanostructures with a resolution and precision of 1.2 nanometers. With the right preparation of the samples, we are able to enhance our objects of interest up to 800,000 times. We are happy that here at BioSense Institute, we are the only ones in Serbia actually to have this scanning electron microscope, and we are looking forward to achieving great scientific results with it.